and it's winter out here, so it's really cold. So I'm doing this indoors because it snowed outside. What this is right here is called Lukat Fix It. It's not a wax. This is a dedicated paint cleaning polish. It's different from regular cutters because it doesn't cut deeply. It's more superficial. Here, this is exposed color base coat. The clear coat came off, and a lot of times when you clean this with other products, what happens is it fades again in like 3 days or a week. I tell people the trick to keeping these paint jobs, even the exposed base coats, looking beautiful is to clean them, not wax them. So this right here is called Lukat Fix It. It's a paint cleaner. I'm going to use this to make the paint job as shiny as possible, not by waxing it, but by cleaning it. This oxidation, listen to the sound of oxidation. Okay, so I'm going to do that afterwards and you'll see what I mean. I use this to clean. So when I put this on, I don't do circles. What I do instead is I go back and forth over a small area. I always tell everybody, do a little area first, because this way you'll gauge how it works. It's very easy to use. It's a lot safer to use this than say a cutter, because cutters, and people ask what cutters are, rubbing compounds. You don't want to cut all the paint off, you want to clean it. So this is a good cleaner, but it's got very little cut in it. It's designed more for cleaning than it is for cutting. Now, if you clean the same spot, you go over the same spot until it's perfectly clean again. So all I'm doing is going back and forth, clean the same spot. I remove the dead stuff. Look what's there now. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see the shine. So this is not shiny because I waxed it. This is shiny because I cleaned it. That smooth texture, listen, remember earlier I went like this? That's an oxidized paint job. Listen to this. You don't hear it because it's clean. So use this to clean the paint. It's clean, it's smooth and glossy again. Now, this is a really special kind of wax. It's not a shine and pop wax. Shine and pop waxes are designed to give it shine and pop. This is a cleaning, conditioning, sealer wax. A lot of you will go to the store and you'll see they have cleaning waxes. If you have a clear coat that looks decent, doesn't look brand new anymore, you should be buying cleaning waxes to clean the light contamination off so it doesn't get really bad. This is called Lukat Easy Wax. This stuff is sick. You know why? Because I work in hot areas. I love heat, so I'm always in the areas when it's hot. So today, of course, I'm over here. But you can put this on when it's 120 degrees in direct sunlight. You can let it dry, and it cleans, conditions, and seals your paint. Okay? Now, listen carefully. This has got shine because it's got carnauba. Okay? But when it dries, it's sealed. So you're locking in that beautiful glossy, or that smooth glossy paint. You locked it in, and you're locking out contaminants that would otherwise get there, like dust, dirt, grime, road film, acid rain, and stuff like that. You can use this to make your paint job shiny, but you want to use that, like say you want to make your car look really nice, you want to go buy a shine and pop wax, like a dedicated just for shine. Well, before you put that on, you wax your car with this. It's going to clean everything that's lightly embedded in the paint job. It'll reduce the swirls that you see in the light refraction or the sun refraction. And then you put that on, you let it dry, you take it off. Then you can put the shine and pop wax, and man, it's going to look beautiful. So, but in this case, you want to use it after we clean, because this job we just did right now, it's done. So, you can get this at Lukat, L-U-K-A-T, lukatdetail.com. If you have questions, call us. You know, I love talking to people. You know what, you don't have to drive around with the paint job like this. And if you do it like this, what's really cool, this is not going to haze up in a week or a month or 3 months or 6 months, because you cleaned it rather than masking it, and then you wax and sealed it rather than just putting a shine and pop wax. It's going to wear off and haze up again. Okay guys, so check out our website at lukatdetail.com. You guys take care, and join us in the fight against ugly paint job pollution. Later.